Hi, I'm Leslie. Welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about how this handful of tablets and this delicious shake has been remarkable for a wonderful life. So here we go. Oh, delicious. Chilled strawberry delight and a handful of supplements which are second to none. So, in case you don't know, I'm Leslie and I have a Herbalife nutrition business. And that's what I've just taken, my Herbalife shake and my Herbalife tablets. I start every single day with that routine. Maybe a different flavor, but always a shake and tablets. It's been marvelous because not only have I been able to lose 21 pounds from all my problem areas, that's 4 inches off my waist and 3 inches off my tummy and my hips, and I've kept it off for 33 years. Thanks to Herbalife Nutrition. But I've also been able to have a wonderful business. So if you want to know more about how you can improve your health and your wealth and sustainably keep the weight off and keep the finances happy and rolling in all the time, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that you get regular updates. And give me a like, why not? I'm here to tell you how you can grow your business and your health at the same time. So never before has there been a more important time to look after your health. And I know there are a lot of people who are looking to improve their finances as well. So these two things in Herbalife Nutrition actually go hand in hand. Because what happens is that when you're using the Herbalife Nutrition products and you're feeling good and you're looking good and you've got a positive mental outlook on life, which is somehow all part and parcel of feeling good and looking good, then the business with the Herbalife Nutrition just happens naturally. So I started off, as I said, by losing the 21 pounds. My husband, Tim, was on this journey with me and he was a very underweight person and he actually gained 13 pounds. He didn't get fat, he just, looked a lot healthier instead of being a skinny malink, as I used to call him. So what we did together is that we started our business, our work from home business, and we started talking to people about how good we felt and also how good they could feel using Herbalife Nutrition. Not everyone believed us. Many people said things like, well, we'll see how you get on. And, we've got on very well, thank you, for 33 years. And still, many of those people have not come on board. Who knows why? Perhaps it was just not the way that they wanted to do things. All I am doing here is to put the information out so that if it's something that you feel is intriguing or if it's something you would like to do, by all means, have a chat with me and I would be more than happy to explain to you how this particular product and business can fit into your life. Because, let's face it, everyone has a different life, everyone has different requirements from their life, and you never know what it is that's going to be the thing that you need and when you need it as well. Sometimes, you're busy in a job, focused on all the things that you're doing all the time, and then boom, life hits you and you find yourself needing to find an extra bit of income on the side. That's how it was for me, actually, having been a teacher for many, many years and never really thinking that I could do anything else. I found myself in a situation where actually I was short of money. I needed bills paid and I didn't have enough every month. So it became a worry and I started looking for something else. And I didn't think Herbalife, lose a bit of weight and do this would make any difference to my financial situation. But guess what? It did. It really, really did. And I have had, shall we say, more than a comfortable life over the last 33 years, not only because I've been healthy and energetic and well to enjoy everything that I need to do, but also because I'm actually living my own life on my own terms. I'm running my own business without the same kind of headaches that often people find that they have to have when they're starting up their own whatever dream business that they have. Herbalife to me was not a dream business at first. It was just something to make a bit of extra income, something that might make, that bill at the end of the month a little bit easier to face, something that would take the worries away from my everyday, oh my God, what happens if there's like the car breaks down and I need to pay an extra bill that I wasn't expecting. That no longer took precedence in my life. In fact, what became more important was happy days, spending time with our lovely daughter, being there all the time whenever she needed some help, whenever, just taking her to school, going to assemblies, being on school trips, just being there for her all the time whenever she was at home. Having great fun together and never having to say, oh, mummy's got to go to work. Daddy can't do this because he's not at home tonight because he's at work, or whatever. We just didn't have a boss to have to answer to. So it's been something that I couldn't even have imagined when I was growing up and looking for some work to do. In fact, couldn't even have imagined when I was in my 30s and looking for something to do. But it has been so, so amazing, so gratifying, because not only have I helped my own health and that of my family, but also I've helped thousands of other people over the years through the customers that I've had. And that's just a small part of it. But, I've also built up teams of coaches like myself and help them to look after their customers and support them through health issues and weight issues and fitness issues. And when you help enough people to help them get what they want, then I found that I started to get what I wanted, which was a satisfying and gratifying job, one that didn't run me down till I was too exhausted to think about having a holiday. I mean, having a holiday used to be just, lie down, catch up on your sleep and don't go anywhere, back when I was a teacher. So that wasn't much fun. But now every day is kind of like a holiday, because every day I can choose when to get up, when to start work, when to do what I want to do, have little bursts of extra activity in terms of work, little growth periods when I feel like, okay, I want to expand my team, I want to help more customers. I can do that now as and when I choose, and that's amazing. I wish I had a word better than amazing to explain what I do, but I'll have to, sit down and write a few words down. But anyway, it is amazing, so I'll stick with that word. It's good enough. It's not like any other work that I've ever had to do, because it's not work when you're having fun. So anyway, if you are interested, please do, if you haven't got a Herbalife nutrition coach already, or if you're, one of my team or someone who has come across what I do before and you're thinking of getting back into it, more than welcome. I'm so happy to let you know that I'm still here. I'm not stopping anytime soon. The times that people have asked me, are you still doing that Herbalife thing? Well, what else would I do? I'm having so much fun. It's been so great for me and my family, and it can be for you too. So hop on board, drop me a message, and I'd be very, very happy to work together with you to get your health results and to get your financial results too. So look forward to it. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye for now.